Hello everybody, it's Jason with Investing Logically. Hope you guys have a wonderful day today. In this video we're talking about Palantir stock. They have some massive news. They actually have a big partnership with 3M, which is a big company. I told you guys in my older videos how easy it was for Palantir to get these partnerships, and that is good news for this company. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Also feel free to like this video for the YouTube algorithm so more people can learn about investing and finance. Palantir is a software company that specializes in big data analytics. Palantir released this news today, the 24th of February. So they announced the multi-million-dollar expansion of its relationship with 3M. So 3M is a big company. They're a $100 billion company. 3M is a company that develops and sells different products worldwide. So products like Scotch tapes and face masks, for example. This extended relationship builds on the work Palantir already supports across 3M's efforts in supply chain, alerting, demand forecasting, and business planning. So that's all good news for these two companies. 3M has said Palantir has played an important role for their enterprise operations digital migration strategy, so that is good. 3M has talked about digital transformation for many years, and I do think Palantir is the best company to enhance that, so that's just my opinion. So I've said in my last videos how easy it is for Palantir to get these partnerships, so the more partnerships they get, the better it is for Palantir. It's only been 2 weeks since their BP partnership, so 5 years from now if they get more partnerships, this will be huge for Palantir. We have to think about their business model. When they expand their technology, this will be huge for the company. But to think of this company in a long-term perspective, this is just getting started. I do think when they expand the technology in these three products, this is going to be huge for this company. Palantir sells off as 3 execs unload 2.7 million shares. The co-founder of Palantir sold 2 million shares, ranging from 25.07 to 30.03 a share. The general counsel sold 503,000 shares on February 18, ranging from $25.04 to $25.86. Palantir's chief legal officer sold 218,000 shares on February 18, ranging from $25.07 to $25.85. You see, this is a problem because we see the co-founder of Palantir holds less shares than its employees. You can see the co-founder has 203,000 shares, the general counsel has 781,000 shares, the legal officer holds more shares, they have 1.58 million shares. I do think this is for a good cause because they're raising cash in some way. So that's the end of this video. That was my whole talk on 3M's partnership with Palantir. So this was good news for Palantir. I'm very confident in Palantir. I do think they're going to get more partnerships in the future. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Also feel free to like this video for the YouTube algorithm so more people can learn about investing and finance. That's it from me. Hope you guys have a wonderful day today. See you guys on the next one and happy investing.